Hey everyone, so today we're gonna make my mom's famous homemade rice pilaf. So the way to start this recipe, you wanna start out by melting some butter. And before I go further, I just wanna share with you a little tip about actually storing butter at room temperature, because I get asked about this all the time. Yes, you can store butter at room temperature. So if you want soft butter to spread on your toast, super easy. Just a few things to keep in mind. Use salted butter. The salt is a preservative, it'll keep that butter fresh longer. Only put out enough butter that you're gonna use within a month. And then lastly, don't store it anywhere near heat. So don't put it above the stove, near the stove, anywhere near heat. Keep it in a cool, dry place. So yes, you can store butter outside the fridge. Totally safe to do. So go ahead and melt that butter. And now we're gonna add in some egg noodles. And we're gonna brown these egg noodles over a medium heat. It's gonna take about 10 minutes to get them to fully cook. So just get a nice brown on those noodles, and it's gonna smell amazing. Okay, so since this is my mom's recipe, I think my mom should actually tell you how to do it. So let's go with that. Now you're gonna add rice to the pan. And we're gonna add in our vegetable broth. We're gonna bring that broth to a boil. Just bring it up to a boil, and then once it boils, turn it down to a low simmer and cover. And you'll let it cook for about 20 minutes until all of that rice absorbs all of that broth. So while that rice is cooking, this is the perfect time for me to go ahead and go do Jerry's laundry. And since we're talking about rice, here's a rice storage tip. So the thing about rice, white rice will last indefinitely. It's been stripped of everything that makes it go bad. So the difference between white rice and brown rice is that brown rice still has the oils and that wheat germ in the rice. That's been removed from white rice, so that processing actually allows it to last for a really long time. You just wanna make sure once you open that bag to put the rice in an airtight container and to store it in a cool, dry place. If you do that, your white rice will last indefinitely. So once it's done cooking, just go ahead and fluff it with a fork. Make sure there's no liquid left. It's all cooked off, and this rice pilaf can really go with anything. So, hey, if you like to cook like I do, please subscribe. If there's something that you want to see, drop a comment down below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time.